Hi, I'm here to talk to you about our new component overview page. Managing enterprise architecture data should be fast and intuitive. The component overview page puts everything you need in one place, letting you edit data and build relationships without switching contexts. Access any component instantly through global search, hover, click, and open. You're now looking at a complete picture of this component. Overview for a quick summary, fields for the full picture, references for the relationships, viewpoints for visualizations, and styles for editing the appearance. Let's talk about editability. New in this version is that you can edit any value of the component. So hit Browse and Edit. You're taken to the Fields tab where you have the complete picture. Simply hit the Edit button and you are in edit mode. The description field has a full rich text editor with formatting, tables, bullet points, whatever you'd like. Or you can edit any of the custom fields for this component. Of course, each field has its own special interface. So dates have a date picker, no more formatting errors, and easy to change. And other fields have appropriate interfaces to make it easy for you to edit the values and keep your component up to date. Now for the real power, references. This tab gives you every relationship a component has, organized by component type. You will see a number of references here with 0 instances. That is because we've switched on the meta model constraints in the admin settings. We show every permitted reference that this component type may have. So I can quickly get an overview of connected components. I can easily create new references by clicking Add Reference in the desired triple section. Clicking that brings up a small interface here where you can search for components and either add multiple in one go or make another search and add those. You see in the list here on the left-hand side, we now have 4 new references. Clicking on one of those brings up the details for that reference. So I can both edit the fields of this reference itself, and I can get a sneak preview of the target component and also edit any details on that I wish to do. If you wish to create a target component at the same time as you create a reference, you can also do so. Hit Create New Component, enter a name, select a workspace, and you're good to go. You don't need to specify the component type because that's already defined in this triple. So create reference and component. You can go ahead and populate any further fields that you wish on this component or just leave it at that. On the Viewpoints tab, you have all the applicable viewpoints for the given component type. I can search for any that I wish to see, and I have a nice big preview on the right-hand side, which is handy when your meta model is particularly complex. Click it and you're taken into the visualization. The Styles tab lets you edit the visual appearance of the component. Also, as you can see, we have 2 buttons up the top here. Submit an update gives you access to the surveys that are applicable for that component type. It's also possible to define a default survey for this component type, which is more prominently displayed, making it easy for your users to go in and populate the specific data that you are after, keeping your data nice and fresh. The new component overview page eliminates the friction between finding and reading about your data and editing it. No more jumping between views in order to do the job you are here to do. One page, full control. Get a quick overview of the component, edit your data, establish references, jump to visualizations, or edit the style. Thank you.